Hello, my dear friends, I hope you are well. I came today with another interesting and lovely tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Onion, 1 chicken breast and thigh, 5 pieces of celery, 400 grams of Omani lemon, 3 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of curry spices, half a teaspoon of saffron, 1 tablespoon. First, we grate onions and fry them. Always add glaze to your stews and grate onions. It will be great. After frying the onion for a few minutes, add the turmeric. If you fry the turmeric with the onion first, it's great. After that, add the meat and add salt. Apply salt to the meat first and it will make the meat delicious. After that, we let our chicken fry with turmeric, salt and curry spices. Then we peel 3 Omani lemons and add it and fry it with lemon for a few more minutes. After the celeriacs that we fried before, we put them to fry again for a few minutes with the meat. Then we pour a ladleful of water and let it cook for 3 to 4 hours with a low flame. In the last half hour of cooking, we pour 2 tablespoons of infused saffron. I suggest you to prepare this very delicious dish and enjoy its taste. Dear friends, as you watch the video, please leave a comment telling me which country you are from and give me the energy to serve you more professionally and teach you healthy, new, and delicious foods by pressing the subscribe button. Like the video and activate the bell to notify you as soon as a new YouTube video is uploaded. Thank you. I am swimming.